Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to June 6th of 2025. We have made it to day number 58 of this My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, okay, we are promoting one offer from Clickbank, okay, and we're using the My Lead Gen Secret service. We're putting those two together, and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing this method. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. I'm going to show you guys the results from last night's email. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to earn income completing this method. All right, guys. So today number is day number 58 of the challenge. Let's go ahead and hop right into it. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. Right. So that's where we go to ClickBank, which is a network marketing platform that where you can grab business opportunity offers and we can create emails and then we can send to this traffic and we can somehow get results from doing so. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email. Like I said, My Legion Secret, I've been with them over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work and it does convert. Okay. The only thing about this traffic is that it is cold traffic, right? So these folks that are on this list, they do have to get warmed up to you first before you start seeing results and start seeing progress with this company. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I'm just going to show you guys how to do stuff today. Today, it's going to be super easy. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion Secret System. Okay, now your My Legion Secret System is going to your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay, the only thing different is going to be the emails that you are sending out versus the ones I'm sending out. I did leave a link below this video if you guys want to get started. Just click on the More tab and then this link right here where it says MLGS True Freedom. Okay, so go ahead and click on that link. It'll take you back over here to the My Legion Secret. You can kind of go ahead and get started with your first account. And then after you sign out of your first account, you can excuse me, you can sign up under your second account, okay? And what you can do is you can stack your own accounts. That way, every single month that you have to pay for the service, you're getting a kickback of what it would cost you each and every month, okay? Which is pretty cool. So that's just another way to earn income with My Legion Secret System, all right? So let's go ahead and get to it, and so I can show you how to send out an email. The main tab you're going to be hanging out at is this mailing system tab right here. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and click on select all, and we're going to select all the emails. Okay, and we're going to push those emails over here, and then we're going to send out one email. This email is going to go out to over 100,000 people. Okay, so let's go ahead and find a email that we can use. Okay, we're going to be promoting an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay, which is right here, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. Okay, if you go into the e-business e-marketing section, that is one of the top offers that they are promoting. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab the free offers that we're using from the vendor. So let's go ahead and grab those offers, guys. And let's go ahead and just grab an email. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. We sent that one out last night. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the subject line, Control C. Okay, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V. Super easy to do, guys. Come down here to the body. Make sure you click on perfect timing so your email goes out whenever it's supposed to go out. And we want to just grab this text of body right here. Okay, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control A and Control V. Super easy to do. Let's go ahead and take out where it says signature, and we want to either put in your name or management, whichever one. And then where it says hi name, we want to take that out and we want to put this embedded code right there. So that way, when this email goes out, we are addressing our prospect by their first name. Okay, now first and last name, not last name, but first name. Okay. So as you can see, this email may say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John. How would you like to spend your day chatting with people on Facebook? Okay, so this email is ready to go. Okay, anytime you see a bold text, this is a call to action button. So it's basically join the team because hundreds of business are waiting for someone like you. Okay. And we're going to turn this into a clickable link. So let's go ahead and click on this link right here. All right. And then what we would do is we come back to the mailing system. And then from the mailing system, there's going to be a link under every email that we send. Okay. Now, right here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, okay, into the email on the clickable link. So you want to Control V, and we want to take this out, okay, and you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay. So let's go ahead and put that in. Don't put in mine, put in yours, okay? So that way you get the credit for the sale. Let's go ahead and click on OK. And then what that does, it turns that into a clickable link, okay? And this makes it easy for our prospects to see our offer, see this big blue link that's ready to be clicked on. They click on it, okay? And it takes them to our offer, okay? And our offer is going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to do anything else. Our job, all our job is to do is to get our prospect to the offer on what they're trying to accomplish. Okay, we're just playing the middleman for what our prospect wants, out of this method. Okay, so that's it, guys. What you would do, you would come down here. One says send now, and one says preview. Go ahead and click on preview. Okay, that way you can preview this link, make sure that it does work, and it has your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay, that's very important. That it does have that ID in the URL. That way you're getting credit and you're getting paid for the emails that you're sending out. All right, guys. So that's how easy it is to send out an email on the Mileage and Secret system. Let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. Clickbank is a network marketing platform where you can go to. You can find so many different offers, whether that be health and fitness, spirituality. You got make money online and things like that. But the category niche that we're going to be in is make money online. Okay, so we're going to be looking for business opportunity leads. Okay, I mean business opportunity offers that we're going to send out to this traffic. Okay, so yesterday we did get a little sale there. Today, let's go ahead and see how we did. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Okay, today is June the 6th. Okay, we did get over 1,200 hops here, if you can see at the bottom. And then we got over 720 unique hops. Okay, these are brand new IP addresses that came to our page. Okay, these people were interested in kind of what we're doing. And then we got one order form impression and then one unique order form impression. This is someone who went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if you guys followed yesterday's video, but what I was doing, I was looking for a sale that we're going to get today. Okay. Now, we did earn a commission today. Okay. So that is the whole goal here, is to earn a commission. In 3 days, they're going to get billed for the program. We're going to earn a commission on top of that, plus whatever rebill that we got from last month, that'll be coming in as well. Okay. So before long, we should be having. I'm starting to see these $40 days, but they're going to get closer together, where we're going to start getting those every single day. And then after we get those, it's just going to move up to $60 days, $80 days, and 100. Okay, it's just kind of like a snowball effect. All right. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys how you send out an email. Okay, show you that we did get a sale today. Okay, which is today, and we'll get paid out on that free trial in the next few days. Okay, and everything's looking good here, guys. So, unfortunately, we didn't get any rebills. Okay, but I'm gonna be looking for a rebill as these days come along. Okay, so that's it, guys. I just showed you guys how to send out an email in the MyLeadGen secret system. Oh yeah, if you guys want to get started, there is a one-time charge of $60 and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, so if you guys want to go ahead and get started, go ahead and click on the link below this video so you can get started and getting those accounts going for yourself. Okay, and start earning the extra income that you need. Okay, but I'm going to cut this video short. I don't want to go any longer. Okay, just wanted to come in and show you how to send out an email, and then also show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. We did get a sale, okay, which is really good. We got a sale, and we're going to get paid out on that in the next few days, all right? So just bear with me, guys. Stick with this series so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Like and subscribe to this channel. Send a comment if you got any questions or anything like that, or any comments that can help this channel grow even more. Okay, but I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.